What's up guys, Jimmy here with another Lots of Games video, and today I'm doing the update. This is January 2015, whole new year, very excited. I'm going to go over the top 10 best-selling PlayStation 4 games worldwide. I will be doing one for the Xbox One soon, so definitely be on the lookout for that. In at number 10, now just want to clarify with you, probably very soon, I would say within a week or so, the number 11th slot is going to knock number 10 out. Okay, but the number 11th is Assassin's Creed Unity. Okay, that one's been selling very well, and that's kind of neck and neck with Killzone Shadowfall. And at number 10 is Killzone Shadowfall. And so far worldwide, Shadowfall has a worldwide sales number of 2,100,000 copies. And also, let me just let you guys know, obviously with being number 10, all the games for the top 10 PS4 games have at least sold 2 million copies each, which is very, very, very impressive with the game, the console only being out a little over a year. So very impressive PlayStation game sales. So in at number 10, Killzone Shadowfall. In at number 9 is Battlefield 4. And this is a game I had the opportunity to review on the PC. I had a lot of fun with it. So far, worldwide, Battlefield 4 on the PS4 has sold 2,410,000 copies. Pretty impressive. It'll be interesting to see what takes place with Hardline and how well that game does. I know a lot of people are excited for it. Something different. I'm interested actually in trying it out and the different game modes. It could be a lot of fun. In number 8 is The Last of Us Remastered. And The Last of Us Remastered so far, again, this is a game that's been out for less than a year. It's selling really well, which is great. Worldwide, The Last of Us Remastered has sold 2,560,000 copies. Good for The Last of Us. We'll have to see if they're with the continuation of the story of The Last of Us 2. I know there's a lot of gamers out there that just wanted it to end the way that it did. Do you guys want there to be a sequel to The Last of Us in the next year or two? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. So in at number 7 is FIFA 14. And so far FIFA 14 has sold 2,660,000 copies. Pretty good. In number 6 is a game that actually for the longest time was at the number 1 spot for the best-selling PS4 games, but it's in number 6 now, is Call of Duty Ghosts. And so far worldwide, Call of Duty Ghosts has sold 2,910,000 copies. So just under 3 million copies. A game that's sold, on seems almost every platform it's on, it sells very well. In number 5 is Watch Dogs. Of course, Watch Dogs, I believe, came out spring, right before spring or after spring. Watch Dogs on the PS4 so far has sold 3,520,000 copies. In number 4 is Destiny. And this is a game that's constantly being updated. It's sold very well. It's selling very well on the PS4. Destiny so far worldwide has sold 4,140,000 copies. This is another game I had the opportunity to review. I had a lot of fun with it. Man, if they could just, they had everything right. If they just, I know the whole thing with them is you kind of make your own story. You make your own Destiny. It's your experiences. But I just wanted something more concrete in terms of this story. So much potential I feel was untapped, but I had a lot of fun with Destiny. I really did. And at number 3 is GTA 5. This is a game that's it's been out, I think, less than 2 months. GTA 5 is in at number 3, selling like crazy. So far the sales for GTA 5 is 4,150,000 copies. Very impressive. Okay, at the top 2 spots, in at number 2 is Call of Duty Advanced Warfare. Advanced Warfare so far has sold 4,710,000 copies. Pretty impressive. So we've got a new number 1 spot from the last time I did a top 10 selling PlayStation 4 games. In at number 1 is FIFA 15. And worldwide, FIFA 15 is selling very, very well. Almost 5 million copies. Worldwide sales for FIFA 15, 4,940,000 copies. really impressive. Congrats. I know there's a lot of FIFA fans out there. It's pretty awesome. So there, guys, is the top 10 best-selling PS4 games worldwide. Again, I'll be doing an updated list for the Xbox One pretty soon, this week hopefully. And definitely click on that thumbs up button if you enjoy these types of videos. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later.